Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to add a document to Firestore using the Firebase Blueprint Plugin library for Unreal Engine. To add a document, use the Add Document node. Then set the path to where you want to store it using the document path pin. Click and hold on it, then drag on an empty spot. Search for Make Array and select it in the menu. Every even element is a collection, and every odd element is a document. If I put users, followed by user 1, it will upload a document called user1 inside a collection called user. If no document ID is provided, it will generate a unique ID for the document. For the document pin, we need to insert a document object with contents we want to upload. Use the Begin Write Document node to start building one. Then add content to it using a combination of these add nodes provided in the plugin. If you have been using this plugin for real-time database, you can easily migrate to Firestore since the flow is exactly the same. Once you have your document, plug it into the document pin. For the callbacks, click and hold on them, then drag on an empty spot. Select Add Event, then add Custom Event. If I compile, save, and run the app, then go to the Firestore console, the data should appear. That's all for this video. If you find this helpful, give it a like, share, and subscribe.